Hey guys, chesypoof here with another week of the South Park KidRobot zipper pulls. So what are we at? Week 6 now? 4, 5, 6? Looks like it. So let's go ahead and bust this little boy open. Get this guy back in his proper spot. And we will get right to it. Alright, in the middle of February. Freaking the PlayStation Vita comes out pretty soon. I want to say, I guess, it's going to be tomorrow. But yeah, so let's get right back to this. The head feels pretty circular, so I'm going to guess that we get a repeat. I'm going to say stand. Let's see how we're doing. Survey says, sweet dude, you were totally right. Alright, so I am getting pretty good at this. So we got Stan Marsh in all his awesome glory. There we go. You can see he's got his little frowny face, his cool hat, of course, jacket, and his little hands. Sweet dude. So another little stand. It does look like they all have that little extra bit of paint on the left hand. Actually, it's on both. But you can see a lot of the little extra red paint there, possibly. His little feet. There's some upside down backwards. And there we go. So that's it for week 6. I already have at least 2 repeats altogether, 2 stands, 2 butters. But hopefully it can only go up from here, right? I'll see you guys next time.